Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXTM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I'm not sure I've ever done this one before, but had a bunch of questions come on it today, rightfully so. Big volume came in, and of course, big price action along with that. And there's no doubt about that. I don't think anybody can argue and say, no, that wasn't good volume. No, that wasn't good price reaction. No, everybody would agree. But that does lead to the question, is today the start of something bigger? Does today's price action have true strength behind it, genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, kind of, one-day wonder type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. So this single level to keep an eye on, in my mind at least, is right here at 0008. Why is 0008 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0008. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps going in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. So to me, 0008, very important level of support going forward. Ideally speaking, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 0014, that would be the best case scenario. But if the price does drop below 0014, in my opinion at least, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because again, you can still build that overall stair step at 0008, and that would still show signs of progress, which from big picture perspective, that's what it's all about, long-term progress. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So for this, I'm actually going to scrunch up the chart here. So let's see here. There we go. So the first level is just right where the price, was rejected from today, and that's up there at 0021. So 0021 initial area of resistance. If the price can then push through that, next key level up there at that point, and that sits at 0024. So 0021, 0024, next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very powerful way to end the week, end the day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.